Unit 1, Life Stories We Admire. Page 15, Listening. The Father of Mickey Mouse. Activity 2. Listen to a talk about Walt Disney's life. Number the events in the order they are mentioned. Walt Disney was one of the most admired people in the film industry. Many of the films created by his company are very popular with both children and adults. However, success did not come early for Disney. When he set up his own film company, it was not very profitable, so Disney chose to move to Hollywood to start a new career. There, he developed a character based on a pet mouse he once had, under the name of Mickey Mouse. He even gave the mouse his own voice. Soon, Mickey Mouse became the world's most popular cartoon character, and Disney was very popular worldwide. But Disney did not stop there. He went on to produce his first feature-length animated film, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The film became a huge success, earning more than $400 million since its release, and 8 Oscars, the top award in the film industry. Throughout his career, Disney won or received 26 Oscars, a record in history. Besides making films, Disney was also the creator of the first Disneyland theme park, which opened in 1955. Nowadays, there are 12 Disney parks around the world, where people can meet Disney cartoon characters and see live shows of their magical stories. After his death, the Walt Disney Studios continued to make high-quality live-action and animated films, such as The Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, and The Lion King. His films continue to inspire both adults and children to follow their dreams.